Question number 4 from exercise 6.3. This question also asked in the board exam 2010. Let's see what is the sum. In the given figure, see what is the figure. In the given figure, QR upon QS is equal to QT upon PR and angle 1 equal to angle 2. So first draw the triangle PQR is here. Okay. So this one and this is the point ST. Angle 1 and angle 2 are equal. Okay, and also given as QR upon QS is equal to QT upon PR. We have to show that triangle PQS is similar to the triangle TQR. Okay, so see what we have to do to show these two triangles similar. Check any criteria we can apply it. We have already two sides for it. Okay, and one angle given, angle 1 equal to angle 2. Okay, so if see in the figure angle 1 and angle 2 are equal, then in triangle PQR we can say the sides opposite to the equal angles are equal. So what is the opposite sides of the angle 1 in triangle PQR? It's a PR. Okay, and angle 2 opposite sides PQ. So write the reason in the bracket that opposite sides to equal angle of a triangle are also equal. Now, given one ratio, one proportion is we have, write down that one. QR upon QS is equal to QT upon PR. See this equation number 1, if PR is equal to PQ, so we can replace that one by using the PR, we can replace by the PQ, which implies that QR upon QS is equal to QT upon PQ. Correct? Taking the reciprocal, so it will use to show this triangle similar. Taking the reciprocal, QS upon QR is equal to PQ upon QT. This is the equation number 2. Okay, so now take the triangle which we have to show similar, triangle PQS and triangle TQR. What we have in triangle PQS and TQR, what we have equal, angle PQS is equal to triangle TQR. Why? Angle Q is a common, so we have one angle. Next, from equation 2 we have the side. See the QS corresponding side is a QR, so sides are in the proportion from equation 1 QP upon QT from 2. So see we have the two sides and the one angle. So SAS criteria, we can say that by SAS criteria triangle PQS is similar to the triangle TQR using SAS similarity criteria. Two sides and one angle. Next question is 5, asked in the board exam 2010. S and T are points on the sides PR and QR of triangle PQR such that angle P is equal to angle RTS. Show that triangle RPQ is similar to the triangle RTS. Asked in the board exam 2010. Okay, so here the triangle PQR, we draw on the line ST. Angle P, where is the angle P? This angle P and the angle RTS, these two angles are already given as equal. So take the two triangle, we can easily show it as the similar. In triangle RPQ and triangle RTS, we have, what is the given? RP angle means which angle? RPQ angle. Angle RPQ is equal to the angle RTS. It's a given. Now you can see the angle R is a common in the both triangle, angle R. So the PRQ is equal to TRS, which is the common angle. So we can write it as RPQ is similar to the triangle RTS by AA similarity criteria. 6.3 question number 6 asked in the board exam 2015. In the given figure, if triangle ABE is congruent, see, check, not the similar, here is given as a congruent to the triangle ACD, show that triangle ADE is similar to the triangle ABC. ये given है, ये show करना है. Okay. Asked in the board exam 2015. Okay, so congruency means what? The corresponding sides are equal. In the similar, corresponding sides are in the proportion, but in the congruency, the corresponding sides are in the equal. So let's start the proof. Proof में triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACD. So the corresponding sides are equal. AB corresponding equal to the AC, and AE corresponding sides is equal to AD. CPCT. Correct? Corresponding part of congruent triangle are equal. Okay. So take that AC this side. It will, what will happen? AB upon AC. Nothing is here means what? 1. So AC into 1. So AC will be this side. AB upon AC will divide and this side will be 1. And same this one also. Send AE this side. So AD upon AE is equal to 1. Okay. So these two commonly as a one equation. Okay. Now check it. Both RHS is equal to 1. RHS is equal to 1. So these two are equal to each other. So AB upon AC is equal to AD upon AE. Equation number 1. Now take the triangle that we have to show the similar. So these two triangle, what we have in this two triangle, just we shown in this triangle, in triangle ABC, ABE, sorry, ADE and triangle ABC. See the equation 1, corresponding sides are in the proportion. AB upon AC is equal to AD upon AE. Okay. We have this one only. But AD, AB, how is that? We have to change this equation. Take the cross multiplication and we will get the exact corresponding sides in the proportion. So, what we want? AD upon AB we want. Correct? See, AD upon AB we want. So, send that AB here and AE will be this side. So, AD upon AB is equal to AE upon AC. Oh, one side we got. Now see, A angle is a common angle. So, angle DAE is equal to angle BAC. This is the common angle. So, we got the two sides and one angle. Then we can say by SAS criteria, these two triangles are similar. By SAS similarity criteria. Question number 7. From 6.3, see the figure. In the given figure, altitudes are given. AD and CE to our altitude intersect each other at point P in the triangle ABC. Here are the 4 proofs we have to show. Okay. So, very easy 4 proofs. The similarity are same between each triangle. So, check the first proof is triangle AEP similar to the triangle CDP we have to show. CDP, AEP, CDP. Check the figure. AEP, this small triangle, CDP, this small triangle. Okay. So, we have to show the similar. Show this one. So, you can see in the easily figure, this 90 degree angle we have and vertically opposite angles. So, 2 angles we got, and then by AA similarity, we can say that these two triangles are similar. So, write down AEP is similar to the triangle CDP. The reason is each 90 degree. Then I told you as the vertically opposite angles. So angle APE is equal to angle CPD. This one APE and CPD. This one angle. So by vertically opposite angles. हो गए दो एंगल्स. नाउ राइट डाउन therefore triangle AEP is similar to the triangle CDP by AA similarity criteria. First proof we have done. Now second one we have to show the triangle ABD and similar to the triangle CBE. Okay. Check again the figure. ABD and CBE, this one triangle. Okay, so again what we have, D and E is again corresponding 90-degree angles are here. So write down ADB, angle ADB is equal to angle CEB, again each 90-degree. Okay, now if you observe the name of this two triangle, angle B is a common angle. So write down angle ABD is equal to angle CBE, common angle. B angle is a common. So again by AA criteria, we can say these two triangles are similar by AA criteria. Now after that there is a third one proof. Which are the third one? Check it. Third one we have to show triangle AEP is similar to the triangle ADB. Again E and D we have at the 90 degree. So angle AEP is equal to the angle ADB. Check it. ADB. They are each 90 degree. Now again what we have, the common angle A here. Okay, so write down angle PAE is equal to angle BAD. Common angle. So again by AA similarity criteria, these two triangles are similar by AA similarity criteria. Last one, fourth one proof is we have to show triangle PDC is similar to the triangle BEC. Okay, the proof of this one, again 90 degree, D and E altitudes are there. So angle PDC is equal to the angle BEC, each 90 degree. And which common angle is here? Now we can say the angle C is the common angle. So triangle PDC is equal to the triangle BCE, common angle. So we can say that by again AA similarity criteria, triangle PDC is similar to the triangle BEC by AA similarity criteria. Hence proved. Question 8, 6.3. E is the point on the side AD. E is the point on the side AD produced of a parallelogram ABCD. So see, this is the ABCD. This AD side is produced till the AE and parallelogram ABCD, and BE intersect CD at F. CD at F. Okay, show that ABE, triangle ABE is similar to the triangle CFB. Okay, so we draw here a parallelogram and produce the E also, it intersect at F also. Okay, so we know that in the parallelogram opposite angles are equal. So in parallelogram ABCD, angle A equal to angle C, opposite angles are equal. Equation number 1, write the reason also. The in parallelogram opposite angles are equal. Now take the two triangles that we have to show the similar. In triangle ABE and triangle CFB. Okay, from equation 1, angle A means what? This one angle EAB is equal to angle C, matlab BCF is equal from equation 1. Or this angle EAB we can write it as C. EAB angle we can write it as DAB. Or AB, one more angle we have. After that equation 1 we have one more angle ABE is equal to angle CFB. Check in the figure. ABE, this one angle, and CFB, okay. Why? The AB and FC are parallel and one the transversal. Okay, so alternate interior angles are they. They are this one and this one parallel, this one is the transversal. So alternate angles are equal. So we got the two angles, this one angle and this one angle. Okay, so by AA similarity we can say these two triangles are similar by AA similarity. From exercise 6.3, in the given figure ABC and AMP are two right angle triangle, ABC and AMP. A right angle at B and M. It is right angle at B and M respectively. Prove that. First proof, triangle ABC is similar to the triangle AMP we have to show. Okay, so immediately we will start the proof. See the triangle ABC and AMP. Easy it is. We have the 90-degree angles. ABC equal to AMP. Why? Because each 90 degree. And again we have the angle A is a common. So write down BAC is equal to MAP. What it is? Common angle. Then by ABC is similar to the triangle AMP by AA similarity criteria. Okay. So now second proof is what we have to show the proportion. So see, if these triangles are in the similar, their corresponding sides are in the proportion. Ratio is equal. So what we can write, AC upon AP is equal to BC upon MP. BC upon MP. But in the question there is some changes, so we can move this as, we can write it as AC instead of CA, we can write AP instead of PA is equal to BC upon MP. Hence prove.